In essence, people prefer losing because of the need to create opportunities to lose. A commitment to infidelity while in a long-term relationship or marriage is essentially suggesting that losing is more important than gaining the development needed in that relationship. A partner who commits infidelity may gain another partner, even material resources, but the loss of growth and understanding will still be a noticeable gap in addition to the consequences that come with mate switching. So, sure, you leave one partner for another, right? And you develop and hone that talent, that skill of leaving partners, going from thing to thing, going from place to place, going from person to person. But you are missing out on the growth and understanding that comes with relationship building. So in one of my audios, I say that cheating is a deal breaker for me. At the end of that, however, I also say that you can't leave everybody. You know, if you leave every time somebody cheats on you, you'll just be leaving and leaving and leaving and leaving. Now, cheating, it depends on why the person is cheating. If the person is struggling, here it is, they're trying to be in relationship with you, but they've always had an issue in a particular area, but they want to stop. Well, that's different. It's a struggle. But if you got a person who thrives in cheating, they love to cheat, it is their lifestyle, that person will never change. They don't care about growth. They don't care about understanding. Their mate switching is really, really defined as having maybe a dating rotation, even if they are married. So a partner who commits infidelity may gain another partner, even material resources, but the loss of growth and understanding will still be a noticeable gap in addition to the consequences that come with mate switching. So you'll see this person who has jumped from relationship to relationship to relationship, 20s, 30s, 40s, 50 years old, get to their 60s and want to settle down, but they don't have the strategies and tools to work through problems. And then they'll leave a relationship thinking that it's the same type of relationship and the same type of issue that they had in their 20s and 30s and 40s and 50s. They'll leave in their 60s hastily. So if you take the time out to grow and learn and understand, that's why I created this series. I wasn't a person who jumped from relationship to relationship, but while I was in relationships, I did not learn. I did not grow. I did not understand. It should not have taken this last partner that I had to cheat on me and then end up marrying someone else for me to get it. And so that's what you miss a lot of times when you either have gaps in terms of relationships. There were a lot of times I was not in relationships. There was a time I was not in a relationship for 13 years, but I wasn't learning anything. And then the times that I was in relationships, I didn't learn anything. And so then you get to your late 30s to your 40s and you run into adult problems, adult romantic relationship problems, and you don't have the tools and tips and skills to work through it. So then you leave it. Now, I had to exit my relationship because he was cheating and it was getting dangerous. And so he was trying to have his ex-partner come to the house. And so and I had just gotten, fed up with it. And so I had to, for my own sanity, safety, everything. But it isn't until now that I'm really truly understanding what's been going on the whole time.